This is PLA filament. To protect it from moisture, I need to store it in a sealed box with a desiccant. I didn't want to buy desiccant online, and since I have cat litter at home, I can just make some myself. Using video editing magic, I removed all the pink particles from the cat litter. I added an arbitrary amount of water. Some hissing was heard, and that was just the air escaping the crystals. I added a stir bar and began dropping in 80 grams of sodium hydroxide. This is 2 moles, which is sufficient to react with the 60 grams of cat litter that I had used. The addition of sodium hydroxide was sufficient to both boil the solution and heat it up to initiate the reaction. I began adding dilute sulfuric acid. This caused a white, gelatinous blob to form at the top and some of the solution to boil. I tried breaking it up with a baguette, and that caused the whole mass to disappear. This is because the solution was still highly basic from all the sodium hydroxide in it. One thing I'd recommend for people doing this at home is to dilute it in way more water. Perhaps use a bucket. And then you'd probably not have to worry about it boiling so much. I kept adding dilute sulfuric acid until the solution became neutral. Unfortunately, my beaker was kinda small for this purpose, so I had to discard some of the liquid, which resulted in a large yield loss. I poured off the water and was left with this strange wet desiccant sludge. This is pretty much just glass shards, so I shouldn't be handling it as lightly as I did in this video. Now the only thing left to do was dry the desiccant, and I did so by just placing it in the oven. I can just redo this step whenever it gets wet and isn't absorbing the moisture of the box. I transferred the desiccant into this cloth bag. It's supposed to be used to store lavender, but it will work fine for this purpose. So now that my filament is nice and dry, I think that's pretty much it for today. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye!